Look, boys, once you enter your 20s, this is your manhood, and I believe there's 20 things that by the time you turn age 20, you should learn, because I want you to deploy in your 20s. Now, we got a lot, so we're gonna fly through these. Number one, I want you to travel. I want you to experience more cultures. The more cultures you experience, the more you can empathize with other people. Not to mention, it makes you a more interesting person. Number two, read more. Reading more allows you to live more lives. You can live other people's perspective, which again, makes you a more interesting person. Number three, work out. This right here, this is your fortress. This is your temple. I want you to build it up in your early years so it can take care of you in your later years. Sleep more. I know you're not prioritizing it, but I want you to start doing that now so you can be more creative, more energetic, so you can problem solve better. Control your feelings. Boys, emotional IQ is a real thing. Controlling your emotions in any situation and being able to logically think through it will help you win in every situation in life. I want you to take more risks. See, time is your best hedge against risk. If it all goes to hell and you lose everything and you have to start from the bottom, you got time to rebuild. I want you to talk to more women. I want you to experience different personality types, different ethnicities, different backgrounds. This will do two things. One, you're gonna pinpoint exactly what you like. And number two, you're gonna get rid of acting so needy and desperate. Learn a new skill. This one's crucial right here, boys. You gotta understand one thing. In a capitalistic society, the more skills you have, the more value you provide, the more you can earn. It's a simple equation, and the beauty of it is it's the great equalizer, meaning anybody can take advantage of this. It does not matter. What matters is how much skill you can accumulate. And here's the best part. Something like our sponsor, Skillshare, it's making it easier than ever. See, before you had to go to college or you had to get formal education to be able to add some sort of skill to your tool chest. Not anymore. Not today. With our sponsor, Skillshare, boys, you can do it from the comfort of your home. You can learn new skills like this in a modern way that's easy and consumable. And in my opinion, it's also fun because you're being taught by industry leaders. These are people that have made it in that skill set that are now coming back and teaching you how to expand. I'll give you a great example. I think it's like 30% of kids growing up now want to be YouTubers, they say, right? Well, YouTube is a skill in of itself that amasses many other skills. There's copywriting, there's planning, there's scripting, there's shooting. You have to learn camera work, you have to learn editing. There's so many skills behind just shooting a YouTube video. Well, one of the best tech YouTubers, Marcus, has an entire Skillshare course that you can watch that breaks down everything on how to create great and captivating YouTube videos. Just think about that. This guy is a leader in his space, and he's coming back and dropping and dishing out all this knowledge that we know works because it worked in his career. See, that's what's great about Skillshare that you can do as well. And with Skillshare, there's just so many topics across UX and UI design. You have audio engineering, video editing, marketing, like any skill that you want to develop, Skillshare probably has a class that you can hop on and learn. And here's the best part. The first 1,000 people to use the link or use my code TeachingMensFashion will get 1 month free trial of Skillshare. There's nothing to lose, and if you act now, you can add on a skill to your tool chest for free. Within that month, you can see the entire library of Skillshare and just see just how valuable that tool chest will be for you. And boys, if I were you, I would take advantage of that. Yo, that first month free, that is a steal that I wouldn't let pass up. If you guys want to check out Skillshare, I'm going to have it linked down below. Take up combat classes. This does two things. One, it'll humble you fast. And number two, it'll show you how to eat up a punch and what it actually feels like so it doesn't shock you out in the real world. Wear sunscreen. Boys, now that you're young is when you protect your skin, especially from the sun's damage. That way, as you age, you're wrinkle-free. Have a great fragrance. A great fragrance is a confidence cheat code that most guys aren't taking advantage of. Level up your style. When you learn how to level up your style, you are literally manipulating other people's perception of you. I want you to create. I don't want you to just consume your entire life. When you create in this world, this is the fastest way to increase your value and therefore increase your net worth. Have a suit. And I don't want you to just have a suit. I need you to know how to wear it and when to wear it. Work on your pickup game. Work on talking to complete strangers and becoming more charismatic because that charisma, it'll pay out in every aspect of your life. I want you to start investing. See, there's this thing called compound interest which is literally best friends with time. And the younger you start, the more time you let compound interest kick in. I want you to practice self-control in every aspect of your life. This is your drugs, your alcohol, your partying, your pornography, women, sleeping, playing a video game. No one physical thing should have control over your life. Take accountability. You've got to understand that victim mentality and thinking everybody else's fault is the problem for your current situation will just keep you oppressed in your current situation without unleashing your true potential. Network, boys, when you're in college, when you start working in your career, start making connections with other people. It is crazy how connections can open doors later in life. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 20 things that I think every guy should knock out by the time they're in their 20s. That's it for you, boy. See you next time.